what advice do you have for people who might feel guilty about charging others, selling their knowledge? So someone like me, for example, I might feel that it's wrong to charge other people, when you're sharing knowledge. You want to help people improve, and so you might think, maybe I shouldn't be charging for this. Maybe I should just be doing it for free. Do you have any advice for people like that?
That was a great question, actually. It comes to the confidence between two things. One is the confidence between you yourself thinking like how valuable the knowledge that you want to share with people, how much you want to share, and you doubting yourself whether people want it or not. And here's a very important thing. A lot of people who start business lose money at this point. You have your knowledge and you want to sell them, you want to monetize. You have, for example, a coaching package or a course that you want to offer to people. And you think, okay, so here's what I can offer and probably people will need. And you start talking about your offer all over, and then we get to another problem. People don't need it. But it doesn't mean that your program is bad. It doesn't mean that what you share is not valuable. It just means that you offer something that they do not need right now, or you phrase it in another way, not in the way that they think about. They think, for example, you're an actor, and people may want to get more acting jobs. And you sell a course, how to do monologues. And they will be like, oh, I want to make money. I want to get more jobs. Why would I need to learn monologues? If you will tell them, I will teach you how to do monologues that will give you thousands of auditions a year. The auditions will bring you more jobs and more money. You brought them more value. Now they know that they need to learn how to do monologues so they will get more auditions, and then they can get more actual jobs and the job and the money they probably need. Another point, if you want, for example, sell your monologue course, look at other people. They go to auditions so many times, but they don't know the key thing that I can help you with. How to give a monologue that directors or casting people want to hear about. How to present it. It's not about how to just read the monologue, but it's more about how to get to that characters, how to read that short script which people gave you, or that short character that directors told you to play with the monologues that you can present. Because you can use any monologues to show different characters. So you will know how to adjust your monologues to the specific castings, how to get that character that directors want, and then this will help you to get the better role. Because you can get to the casting and then you will be extra. Is that what you want? Probably as an actor you would want to get something more. Whatever program you offer, think about what people want. First, what you can sell and what you're confident in selling.
Confidence.
Pick something that you know that this is the area where I can get people results. And you can ask your friends or people, your colleagues who know you enough, what is that you know that I'm good at and I can help people with. It will give you some extra confidence from the side. It's not just I feel like I can teach those things, but people say like I really can do it. And then match it with what the person wants. And if you want to monetize your knowledge and experience and you want to grow your business, whether it's coaching or consulting, I have a free guide for you, Sell Your Expertise. I put the link in the description below so you can download it for free. And also, if you want more tips on how to grow your business and how to sell your stuff, your programs, check this video next.